Hey there! I know you've been wondering, or maybe not, but hey, you're watching, so you're probably thinking, where has this dude been? Well, I've been using the same damn excuse every single time, and it's that I'm focusing on my graduation. And here I am, I just graduated as an electronics engineer from a university, pat on the back, clap, 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 and we're currently here at Singapore in Marina Bay Sands, giving you a little bit of update. Well, we're kind of having a time jump because it's been a while since my last video. I've done a couple unboxings over in my Instagram, but never on this YouTube channel because frankly I don't have time, and now I have all the time in the world. So a little bit of update. I just got my unicorn bag. Now when we say unicorn bag, that's like the bag that's weirdly specific but is in tuned to whatever it is that you really love, probably even a little rare. And I kind of found it this season, so we're kind of diving into that, but this will be just really quick. I just unboxed all of this over on my Instagram, so if you want to see that, go over to my Instagram. I'll put the link down below. But basically we have all the thingamajigs here, all the fancy thingamabobs, the shopping bag, the box. They also gave me this weird envelope that says Chanel. When I opened it, it has this Chanel Times thingamajig. It is a reading pamphlet. I don't know. It kind of looks like a newspaper, which I will read once I get to the plane for tomorrow, going back to the Philippines. So the bag came with all the accoutrements that we all expected. So we have the dust bag, but this is the new one, you know, with the drawstring right here. This is kind of the new one. And it also came with the felt. Now I already unboxed this, so don't murder me. Go to my Instagram page if you want to see it. It also came with all these tissue paper and ribbons, yada yada yada, but you're not here for that. We are here for the unicorn bag. Now this is exclusive to this season. This is a Chanel reissue 2.55 in green calfskin leather. Now, when I tell you that this is gorgeous, gorgeous in person, oh my god. You know, the reissue bag is gorgeous by itself, but the mini size is kind of hard to find. Now, SuperDacob unboxed a black reissue, and I was kind of looking for that, but I've always wanted a green bag. Now, a green bag is hard to come across, plus I'm a Virgo, so that's like the perfect combination. Green, Virgo. Now I'll have a quick rundown of the bag. Now this bag is exactly the same size of a square mini, but it's not as rectangular or as square as it typically is. It still has the sticker since I just recently unboxed it. It is the single flap, so you would expect the chain to actually be in one loop. So it's not twisted or anything, it's just one loop, kind of like a Mobius strip, because again, this is single flap. Another thing that is kind of rare these days, a reissue bag that is single flap and is a mini. Plus the color, oh my god you guys, this color is gorgeous. So this is almost like an emerald green in cold lighting, but in warm lighting such as this one, it is kind of like a really dark matcha kind of green. I don't know if that's your thing, but it's really gorgeous with this gold hardware. Now, I don't know if you've seen the movie The Confessions of a Shopaholic, but I've always romanticized the idea of the girl with the green scarf. Now I am the boy with the green bag, because it is such a unicorn bag. Now I know Minks4All, Hi Minnie, has found her unicorn bag. It is a red reissue bag with gold hardware. Now this has been my unicorn bag ever since, and I just love it. If you want to see me wear this bag, style it however I want it, go over to my Instagram page because we're gonna have a lot of fun. But this is just a quick fresh out of the box what I purchased. But if you want a review, you can tell me down below if you're interested in that, because I'm gonna have to take my time wearing this, because I'm a big fan of Chanel, I'm a big fan of the reissue bag, and I'll have a lot of thoughts, I promise you that. So just comment down below if you want me to do a review of this one. If you don't, that's also fine. I could also take another year-long break. But that's it. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.